GoPro 13 Black. I'm very excited. So today we are checking out the GoPro 13 Black. So this is gonna be my new main camera for my helmets. So all my videos will be from this camera. I just bought the camera. I didn't buy any bundles because I own GoPros, so I have all the sticks, I have everything that I need. Let me show you what comes in the box with this thing. It comes with these thingies, so you can attach it directly to your helmet. I'm not going to be using these two. I'm going to buy a magnetic clip-on because it's easier to get it off and on. They also come with one new thing, and this is the first time the GoPro introduced attachable lenses. So you can take this off and you can put macro, ultra-wide, or anamorphic lens. But what I will be using is ND filters that you can place on top here. ND filters are something I'm going to use because of sunlight. For me, these other lenses, they don't make sense because I'm just going to be on my motorcycle. It comes with a screen on the front, which I'm going to turn off to save the battery, and I'm just going to use this one. Pretty much I always turn off all the sounds, same like I turn off all the notification sounds on it. When it comes to sound, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison, so let's check.
Hello guys, this is a video and audio from GoPro 13 Black.
No, I'm kidding, that was just my iPhone. When it comes to sound, I really don't care because I use the microphone for, for recording a different one that's inside my helmet. Anyway, the sound is kind of cool. It's okay. To me, it's fine. It can record all those motorcycle sounds and like ambient sounds that I need maybe in editing, but that's it. It's waterproof. Battery life is not the best. You definitely need a spare battery, so they last from 45 minutes to like 1 hour, so definitely get a second battery and if you can, they cost 80 euros, but external charger, because these things tend to heat a lot, so if you're filming in summer, you cannot charge it here and then use it again. It's better to charge in the external charger, but yeah, the battery life really sucks. Sorry, GoPro. I'm gonna show you some of the settings and what I like to record in. It has 5.7K, so you can use HDR and stuff like that. I'm going to show you that right now. Right out of the box, you have to install the software on the camera. You need to select language, voice controls, basic options, scan the QR code, install the software, and name your camera. There are two main settings that I'm using. One is without the ND filters. So this is if you don't have ND filters, I would use, of course, standard, because it's much better in my opinion. You can select as well the aspect ratios. When it comes to video, I record in 5.3K, 60 frames per second. I record in linear. Hyper smooth, yes. If you turn it off, it will look more action camera-like. I skip these, I just use a slight zoom, 1.0. Bit depth, I use 10 bits. I want my footage to be in a better quality. As well here, bitrate I put high. Take more space though. EEP I put just slightly under because I don't want some exposure and stuff like that. So these settings you can play with once you have ND filters. Sharpness put on lower medium because you can always add the sharpness but never take away. So these are the settings that I used when I don't have ND filters. With ND filters, it's much better. Get yourself a good SD card. Now I'm gonna let you see and I'm gonna play some of my videos. Now I'm going to show you the footage without any filters with these settings. So this is without any filters. This is just raw without any color grading, how the camera performs, how the camera works. And in my next videos you will see, hello police, with the color grading. This is just to show you the quality of the footage. Grandma that wants to be run over. In my opinion, GoPro is a camera that you need to have for your helmet pretty much, but Insta360, I have to say, it is a camera I was happiest about, and in my opinion it's better. This camera can only record in 5.7, even though the footage is amazing. Insta360, yes, it records in 8K, and yes, once you like select certain frame, that 8K is gonna drop. But still, in my opinion, the camera is amazing. Insta360 is a better camera in my opinion if you have to select one. So you can see here the faces of people, and my main goal is to get this camera for interactions. This was the most important thing for me, to see the people's faces and to have the camera for interactions. Here they were waiting, and I was waiting, so I stopped behind them and I turned off my engine. So after that I just took them over. Now I'm gonna leave you to watch the camera footage, and that's it, guys.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm with it all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Put in the comments what's the best camera for you, because I heard the DJI is better than GoPro. So put in the comments and tell me more about that. That was it, guys. Subscribe and see you soon.
And